In a hidden corner of the enchanted forest, there lived a wise and gentle elephant named Ella. One day, Ella discovered a lonely, magical butterfly named Bella. Bella had lost her way and needed Ella's guidance to find the enchanted garden. Together, Ella and Bella set out on a wondrous journey, encountering talking trees, sparkling streams, and mysterious creatures along the way. As they ventured deeper, Ella and Bella shared stories with the wise old owl, danced with glowing fireflies, and even befriended a shy unicorn. Their journey took a mysterious turn when they encountered a riddle-throwing sphinx. Ella had to use her wisdom to solve the riddles and continue their quest. In the heart of the enchanted garden, Ella and Bella discovered a magical fountain that granted wishes. Ella wished for everlasting friendship, and Bella wished for a garden full of joy. And so, Ella and Bella's enchanting journey became a legend in the mystical forest, a tale of friendship, wisdom, and the magic that resides in unexpected places.